Hari Om. Today, what I'm going to share in this video is variations you can practice in your Antar Kumbhak practice so that it also adds some change in your practice and it helps you progress on your Antar Kumbhak practice so that you build your capacity slowly and surely. Sit in your meditation pose and with a relaxed body, just gently close your eyes. Take your awareness to your eyebrow center. Place these two fingers at the eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with your thumb and then inhale through your left nostril, your comfortable maximum capacity, say 5 seconds. You inhale through your left for 5 seconds, then close both nostrils and hold the inhalation inside for 5 seconds. Then open the right nostril and exhale for 5 seconds. And then inhale through the right for 5 seconds. Hold the inhalation inside for 5 seconds and then exhale through the left for 5 seconds. This makes one round. You can practice this every day for say 5 to maximum 10 rounds. And every day you keep increasing your capacity to inhale, retain and exhale by say 1 second. After a month of practicing this, maybe you reach to the capacity of let's say 10 seconds. Then after this stage, what you can practice is that extension of your exhalation. You inhale for 10, hold the breath inside for 10 seconds and then instead of exhaling for 10, you make it double of 10, that is 20 seconds. Then you inhale for 10, hold for 10 and again exhale for 20. What you have done in this is you have increased your exhalation capacity. In case the first day you try this, you find that your exhalation can't go up to 20, then reduce your inhalation to say 6 and then hold for 6 and exhale for 12. Whatever you can reach in exhalation, make your inhalation half of that. With your 1 month practice in this, surely your exhalation will become double of your inhalation. Remember the precautions I've said in the earlier videos, who can do and who should not do any kind of breath retention practice, but the benefits are enormous and we will keep sharing and talking about the benefits also. Keep practicing, stay with me, stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om, Tat Sat.